Hey guys, today I will show you the last of my old, nearly prehistoric test projects. Thanks for all the comments and subscriptions, guys. You're awesome. Remember, this is an old experiment, not the actual dark matter drive. So this is a floating island, and it has sky and clouds, and it also has a crude version of biomes, but it's there. So this is like a desert canyon-y type of thing, and then there's like grass with like slope detection for grass placement. So it only places grass on the parts that are facing up, not on the sides of mountains. And it also has only dirt biomes. The island uses a 3D perlin noise, I think, if I remember correctly. And I really like the combination of equations that I use to create this sort of shape where it's thicker on the middle, but then it has this sort of slope downward. And it also has a very nice underside. So everything that you see on this screen is pretty much made with noise. The textures, the shape, the clouds, everything. Even the biome selection, it's all noise. It's all procedural. There's nothing that is pre-generated. One part that I had trouble with here that I wasn't able to actually finish was the biome transitions. The noises are different in the shader, so changing the scale as the shader changes biomes ended up in very weird transitions that look like, I don't know, scan lines or something. It's very weird. I really like how it makes these sort of circular shapes in the canyon areas. This project also has a building system and destruction system. So as you can see, you can construct things from the ground using the marching cubes algorithm and destroy things. I have it mapped to my scroll wheel so that I can easily change between destroy or create. And this all uses the same modified marching cubes algorithm that is low triangle density, but with good fitting to the isocontours of the 3D density field. You can also see that the shadows are dynamically updated as the terrain is changed. You can drill all the way to the bottom if you want to. And yeah, that's another feature of this terrain system. And the biomes stay consistent as you change the terrain. So yeah, it's pretty fun to play around with this. And this is all real time and pretty fast. There I cut a mountain in two. So yeah, let's look at the wireframe for this one. If I remember correctly, for this one I made a system that chooses only the chunks that are facing the camera to render, and the rest ones it doesn't render at all. The ones that are over here on the back side that you can't see from here, they're not even sent to the GPU, and they're not even like given to Unity to try and render them. It's like a directional culling system that I made up. Let's try putting the wireframe shader on it. You can see that there's a very nice consistent distribution of triangles. There's no like very dense areas. It's all a uniform distribution. That's very good. It would be nice if the bottom had less triangles because not many people see that area. Let me do a zoom in over here. You can see the distributions. Oh, here at the top of this mountain it clips, and it didn't get to make the full peak of the mountain because this green box that you see here is the limits of the island. So yeah, that's this project. I found it very nice.